Junglelist. Hey boy Junglelist. You think me forget about you? You one biggest blood clot pussy in a Barbados. You pay for kill Moreman. You understand? And come to find out to how me hear the thing go. It's like you's a hater my youth. You understand? From what me say, it's like Moreman was hustling and you hate upon him. Cause all the night when you kill him, you keep a party for make it look like I know you kill him. You understand? Me hear from the ground in a Barbados, dog. And me I tell you, pussy, the feds them I go near me food. That me I tell you now. You think me I play with your bumper clot? Yo, that boy a Rudie. I want can artist, you know. Wanna see him on the boat with the white girl. The white girl them. You have the white girl up on the boat and see him there with the mute them. Now, the way how he might talk about blackness and this and that. You understand? You that think say yo, him would have never been around the white people. But him and the white people them link up on board. So you know say that boy I want two-faced pussy hole, you know. You understand? That boy a Rudie. Me I show you the picture properly. Watch him and the white girl them on the boat, yo. Watch this. No one can see the picture. See it there? Him that with the green arrow applying upon him. Yo, that boy I want tomato. Him kill off the man. True the man I do better than him, dog. And you think say you go fly out of Barbados and sell coke all over the world and make money and live. And then you there, Barbados a thief the government the money too. But you in a one program. Listen to that boy a thief the money from Barbados. A pussy now.
200 years ago, a man named Robert Henry, the Speaker of the House at that time, was on this plantation with 234 slaves here that did this same project here with the whip. So we come to do it now without the whip. But the same plantation owners here, they're getting it done still, but they have the money, which is the new whip. Alright? So they have the money, so they use the money to get the land plow. But we is who they have to give the money to plant the land.
I go so hard on the lane and the main in the pain and it's tough time. All the day I won't go on the tear and the other face tough time. That's what they do. Just hold up your weight and nothing for your giant, them your rough time. Simple thing to a giant. Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness not elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Come and send about the fret, youths now waste your intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The ladder of success will feature. Life prison door give me the visa. With jailhouse man and star and clean and the dirty might have but we clean.
You hear that Junglelist? The dirty might tough, but we cleaner. So check this out. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, I want to see me ask the people them at Jamaica for push out the Yardman picture. Cause I want know the Yardman them. Push out the Yardman them picture. Where Junglelist hire. Cause him hire some yard youth for deal with Moreman. And you see you Junglelist, you see how you flex, you think you're smarter than everybody, you could be like Shotty Mark though. But I have something for you, you know. You see the feds have Shotty Mark name. And the feds have him file, him info. Think me I play with you now. You see, what you do, Junglelist, me not like it. You understand? you's a user. But check this out. I ask the people them if you show about the Yardman picture them. And that picture you come in. I want to know if anybody know. Cause I want to verify this, you know. Look at that picture. Now, that picture come true with that youth here. And we need some people to link me and verify it. Cause me have a name but me not give out the name. You understand? I want some people link me and verify. You understand? Cause me I try, like me I say, I fuck with them though, and we need to get to the bottom of this. But most of all, are the boy Greenidge, Rudie Greenidge, the thief in dreadlocks boy, the dangerous black dreadlocks there, that boy there. He move like another dreadlocks me know where when me just talk about a singer dreadlocks boy when me just talk about, and me have some more upon that youth there too. But listen, if you don't know that picture ya, that youth ya, cause me I hear say him at the step of a Rudie and another man there too, and another man, so me hear say about 3 of them, you know. You understand? He do the thing. So at the picture ya me get, I want some people see if them can help me verify it. And once me get it verified, then me can talk about it and talk about them or him. The youth, if I the youth, like me say me no know. But me get the picture, I want to check it out. Now back to you, Mr. Rudie. You think say as a life go, my youth? You think say you can just kill people at will and take people life, and then you think say you can just do what you want? You not help nobody, you know. You know, see, you have the farm thing. See the farm thing you went in the newspaper with. Let me show you the newspaper. Hold on there. See him there in a newspaper with the farming thing we only hear my talk about in the front of the video. And I bet you anything, this farming situation didn't reach anywhere. You understand? Nothing no reach nowhere. Because you know why? Rudie is a damn thief, a murderer, a conman, you understand, and a hater. You see a man like him, I kill him, have to kill him, I lock him up in prison. To protect the society, I protect on the name. Because if him ever think that you are do better than him, or him feel some kind of threat in his own mind, listen, he's gonna get rid of you. Now this boy, he's very powerful in a Barbados. And me I tell you right now, Rudie, me I go contact the Barbados Police Commissioner. And me have some other people me I go contact, but me I go show you something. You understand? I bet say, me stop you, Mr. Greenidge. Just like me slow down Shotty Mark. Cause me did tell you, you know, give me a link and make me know your story. But you's a weasel, so you want bob and weave and hide and think say yo, countryman, I go done with you. Me just start. Yo, you're supposed to know me by now. My subscribers them supposed to know my personality. No say yo, you see me? Me a madman. You understand? My head take me. Me have anxiety. You understand? And me get a thing with name obsession. Like where Vibes Cartel say. That obsession yeah. And that's how me stay. A part of my character and my personality. obsessive compulsive. Alright? Me I tell you that about me. You nah get way from this. You understand? And like me say, me give you a chance to step forward, my youth. And you don't, Rudie, alright? You gonna be the next shotty mark, and me don't tell me I hunt down the two of you know. Me no care if nobody want to watch this vlog or watch my channel, as long as me can get uno. Cause you do enough wickedness just like Shotty Mark. And me have a problem with that. Now before I go, me I put up back that picture yeah. And I want uno, if anybody know that you here, cause me here say him and Rudie do the thing, and him Rudie dispatch out. If you go mash the words, look on the picture again. This I'm picture the little man where them say do the program with Rudie, Mr. Greenwich, the dreadlocks boy from Barbados. And him run Barbados, him a like Dudus down there now. But the only thing is with him a want sneak. Him you see, really and truly I shouldn't even compare him to Dudus, because one thing with Dudus is a youth where run things with order. Him not perfect, but when Dudus did there Jamaica, the whole Jamaica was better off because Dudus can set certain order at the time. You see what I'm saying? And Dudus is a youth where, how I can put it, him not sneaky, him straight up, him kind, enough youth him help. You understand? You, all you want to do, I go name white woman crutches. See you on the white woman yeah. I saw him want live, you know. See him there pan boat yacht with white girl and white boy and him pity them. While him a use people. And him not only use people, him a rub out people too. Cause you see that boy yeah, him go all about. Him there all New York in a Long Island. You think me no know you there Long Island pussy. But me a go catch you man. Mark me tell you. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. I'm out.